Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the word problems on multiplication. That will be there in your textbook exercise 5.6 page number 147 and 148. In that second question, in a garden there were 132 rows of trees. Total how many rows of trees are there? 132 rows of trees. Each row had 25 trees. One row having 25 trees. So how many trees were there in the garden? How many trees were there in the garden? Trees are planted in rows. Line by line. One line. It is called a row. So like that how many rows are there? 132 rows are there. In each row how many trees are they planted? 25 trees are they planted. How many trees were there in the garden? Total how many trees are there in the garden? You see the solution. Number of tree rows. Number of rows of trees. Number of rows. Number of rows. Total how many rows? 132 rows. Okay, now number of trees in each row. Number of trees in each row. In each row how many trees are there? In each row having 25 trees. Each row having 25 trees. So total how many trees are there in the garden? Total trees in the garden. Total trees in the garden. Total trees in the garden. How we have to do? Yes, we have to do the multiplication. 132 into 25. 132 into 25. This one how we should write? 132 into 25. Okay. This 25 how we should write? 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. You can write this one, but first we have to multiply 132 into 5. First 132 into 5. 5 2s are 10. So 1 here, 0. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So 1 here, 6 here. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Again next 132 into 20. After multiplication, while we are multiplying with 10, 20 like that, first we have to multiply the number with the number. After end of the product, we will put 0. So first we are writing 0. This 0 here. Next multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now do the addition. 0, 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 2 plus 1, 3. So total how many trees? 3,300 trees are there in the garden. Total how many trees are there? 3,300 trees are there in the garden. Three thousand 300 trees are there in the garden. 3,300 trees are there in the garden. Next one, a box contains 528 pencils. A box contains 528 pencils. How many pencils would there be in 15 such boxes? How many pencils would there be in 15 such boxes? Each box having how many pencils? 528 pencils. Total how many boxes are there? Like 15 boxes. So total how many pencils are there in 15 boxes? We have to find out. Now see the solution. number of pencils in each box. Number of pencils in each box. In each box containing how many pencils? 528 pencils. So in each box containing 528 pencils. Like that, how many boxes are there? 15 boxes. So in 15 boxes, how many pencils are there? We have to find number of pencils in 15 boxes. Number of pencils in 15 boxes. So 528 into 15. 528 into 15. So 528 into 15. We have to do the multiplication. See this 15 how we should write? 10 plus 5. 15 how we should write? 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. So first we have to multiply with 5. 528 into 5. 5 8s are 40. So 4 here 0. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 26. Next this 528 we should multiply with 10. When we are multiplying with 10, 20 like that, first we have to multiply the number with the here number 1. So we have to multiply with 1. After we are getting product, we put 1 0 at the end of the product. So first I am writing that 0 here. 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Now do the addition. 0, 4 plus 8 12, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. 5 plus 2, 7. So 7,920 pencils are there in 15 boxes. 7,920. You know? So 7,920 pencils are there in 15 boxes. Are there in 15 boxes. See in your textbook, ma'am. Page number 147. Page number 147. In that first question, there are 84 balloons in a packet. There are 84 balloons in a packet. How many balloons will there be in 48 such packets? Total how many pencils are there? How many balloons are there in packet? One packet containing 84 balloons. Like that, how many packets are there? 48 packets containing how many balloons? What we have to do? We have to do the multiplication. Yes, next turn the page. In that, already I explained you second question. Now see the third one. Each child has 3 pencils. Each child has 3 pencils. If there are 225 children, how many pencils are there in total? Every child containing 3 pencils. Total how many children are there? 225 children are there. So total how many pencils are there? What we have to do? We have to do the multiplication. 225 into 3. Next one. There are 4 petals in each flower. A flower containing 4 petals. A flower containing 4 petals. How many petals will there be in 251 flowers? Each flower having 4 petals. Like the total how many flowers are there? 251 flowers are there. So total how many petals are there? How we will get 251 into 4? Next one. 35 aeroplanes, each carrying 145 passengers, took off for Kashmir in a week. How many people went to Kashmir during the week? 35 aeroplanes are there. Total in each aeroplane, how many passengers are taking? 145 passengers take off for Kashmir. Like that, in a week, how many passengers are carrying? 1 week, 1 aeroplane, 145. Like the total, how many aeroplanes? 35. So 145 into 35. In a multiplex theatre, there are 6 auditoriums. There are how many auditoriums? 6 auditorium. Multiplex theatre. In that 6 auditoriums, 468 people can sit in each auditorium. Total how many auditoriums are there in multiplex theatre? 6 auditoriums are there in a multiplex. So in each auditorium how many can sit? 468 people can sit. How many people can watch movies in the multiplex theatre at one time? At one time. In a multiplex theatre, how many theatres are there? 6 theatres are there. 6 movies. Okay, in each one, they can sit 468 people. Total 6 auditoriums are there. In each auditorium, 468 people can sit. Total how many people can watch movie at a time? One time how many? 468 into 6. Next one. 35 buses were arranged for carrying children for a picnic. For a picnic. They are going a picnic. How many buses they are going by picnic? 35 buses. In 35 buses, they are going picnic. If 42 children sat in each bus, in one bus, how many children are sat? 42. So, total, how many children went to the picnic? Total buses 35. In each bus 42 students. Total how many students? 35 into 42. Next, there are 475 boxes of toys. How many toy boxes are there? 475 boxes. Each box contains 18 toys. In one box having how many toys? 18 toys having in one box. So, how many toys are there in all the boxes? One box having how many toys, ma? 18 toys. Like that, how many boxes, toys box are there? 475 toy boxes are there. So, total how many toys are there in the total toy boxes? How many boxes? 475 toy boxes. In each box containing 18 toys. So, 475 into 18. Understand, children? Like that you have to do all the problems in your classwork, but do with only pencil and write with neat handwriting.